Greetings. Good afternoon. I'm so glad. Why? Srishti Lokwani is an angel who touched hearts by service, by teaching uncle's kids, maid's kids. So she's a born leader, a born giver. One who gives is the happiest, has a glow on the face. Let's welcome Srishti Lokwani. Namaste, Srishti.
Namaste, sir. Warm greetings to you as well.
थैंक यू आप अपनी जर्नी बताइए कि आपने क्या पाया दूसरों को पढ़ाते पढ़ाते क्या स्किल्स
Okay.
मिली क्या फील हुआ
Okay. First of all, what I learned is that education is not bounded by a class or a religion. You should give it and then you are going to get it back. I mean, it is the power of knowledge that you just have to spread all across, regardless of what a person is or what its caste or from where which class he or she belongs. And the smile that the child gets, it's, I mean, it's worthless. You can't just define it in words that when a student learns or if he or she is able to tackle some problem by herself or himself, then they are just above the world. They are so happy that yes, we are able to conquer the world. That little problem for them is like a war which they have been battling since so many years, and now they are able to conquer it.
सुपर सुपर तो आपके अंदर क्या क्या खुशी आती थी और क्या फील होता था ऐसा नहीं लगता था व्हाई एम आई वेस्टिंग माय टाइम व्हाई नॉट फोकस ऑन माय ओन करियर मनी
Okay, sir, since the beginning of my school, since I did my schooling on scholarship basis, since I don't have a father, so there was one teacher who in fourth class donated their whole book of sets to me so that I don't have to buy new books. But since I was used to use old books, so once I just insisted my mother that please, I want a new book set. So my mother bought me a new book set. And when the teacher saw that I bought a new book set, she slapped me in front of everyone. And then he took that book set from me. And then she just went and returned the book set even after I did binding on them. Even I wrote my name on them. Then also she returned the book set and she gave her book set to me. So that time I realized that it is the power of giving, because school gives the new book set to the teachers. If she wanted, she would have not given to me. Who am I to her? But still, she gave it to me. Then after a few years, I realized that when I teach students, there should be a connection, not just on the basis of education, but also intellectual conversations. There should be topics apart from education as well. Like they ask me, ma'am, our mother and father expect us to excel, but we are more tilted towards the sports. So what should we do? Then some student just behaving very weirdly, or they have some tensions. So I just tell them that, I mean, guidance is more important, not every time education. So it's just after we complete one lesson of science, I just show them a small short film or short movie so that they can feel thrilled and they feel more attached towards me.
very nice the power of connection and the power of giving
Yeah.
yes and the power of blessings and God's grace behind every adversity or behind every challenge, which we say, My God, oh, yeah. So there is a blessing behind it. Amazing, amazing. And I salute your strength and the joy of giving and the lovely lessons that you are learning and bringing about all round education. Wonderful. But what did you gain by all this? What skills did it make you
Okay.
confident? And if yes, how?
Okay. First of all, when we are doing something and someone appreciates our work, it boosts our self confidence. It gives us immense pleasure that yes, whatever we are doing, we are going it in the right direction, And since people are appreciating, they are liking our work, that means we are not on the wrong path. So it gives me immense self-confidence. It gives me a pleasure. It gives me, in the end of the night when I sleep, it gives me a satisfaction that yes, today I made someone smile. I made someone proud. I made someone that yes, I am there for him or her, that even if they are not feeling, if they are feeling lonely, then yes, they can share something with me. I mean, I gain someone's trust.
You are Santa every day. You are a Santa in so many lives. Wonderful. Serve well to sleep well. But tell me,
Yes.
somebody criticizes you, scolds you, and does not support you. And how do you face challenges?
Okay. Initially, it was during my first class in a coaching institute. And when I just started giving a lecture, and the teachers came for the feedback, there was one topper student who criticized me and who told the faculties that this teacher doesn't teach us well. Okay. And I was very shocked to see that. And I was literally shivering that what happened. I mean, it is my first job, and I thought that I would just lose it. But after a few days, I came to know that that boy didn't like the subject science. So initially, I just worked upon my skills. I didn't lose up the confidence. I just wanted, I mean, I just have my water in my eyes and I just wanted to quit. But I thought that it's okay. Ups and downs comes in your career path. So you should not give up. So I just try to enhance my skills. Like if a teacher comes to the class and she just starts with the topic, so I started with talking about the day-to-day life, connecting the topics with day-to-day life, so they are able to relate more with the subject. And then that student, I finally got the appreciation of that student.
Wow, you are a complete teacher. From the old 3 R's, read, write, and arithmetic, you have given us 3 new R's: relationship, relevance, and rigor. Rigor is being updated, being careful, being super skilled. So the 3 R's from this interview, from now on, or the 2023 R's, and from now on is relationships,
Yes,
relevance,
it matters a lot.
and
Yes.
rigor. And this is not my gyan, this is copied from Dr. A. Sendil Kumaran of TLC, the Learners Confluence. So ये आप भी सीख लो सृष्टि, बहुत काम आएगा. All is well.
Yes. Yeah,
ठीक है.
all is well.
So now 3 tips to have a happy India, to have happy kids, happy teens, happy schooling.
Okay. First of all, that I would like to say is give more attention to manners. That is manners before knowledge. Okay. If a child is more mannered, then you don't have to run behind that child. Secondly, let the kids do whatever they want. You should give them the freedom to pursue. They know their responsibilities after a age. They know that we have some responsibilities towards our parents as well. So we have to study. Okay. And the third one is there should not be a biasness, or don't trigger your kids to differentiate themselves that they belong to a higher class or the others belong to a lower class. Let them be friends with even the mates' kids, and let them be the friends with the top entrepreneurs' kids.
लेकिन उसमें जेलसी आएगी और मैं डाउन फील करूंगा. आप तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया हो आए, मैं तो चिंच पोकली बंदर हो के आया, है ना?
Let them give them the satisfaction that yes, they are, I mean, they should value themselves first of all.
ठीक.
They are important, even not. Yes.
Self-love. What are your
Yes,
3 tips
self-love.
for self-love?
Yes.
What are the 3 tips to enhance self-love?
Okay, to enhance self-love. First of all, celebrate small wins.
Yes.
Talk to yourself in the mirror. Whatever you are doing, appreciate, and set small goals and try to accomplish them. Small goals. Just give a pat on yourself, on your back, for every victory. Talk to yourself in the mirror and then try to set small goals and try to accomplish them.
What are your dreams? What are your goals for
Okay.
2021?
Okay, my goals for 2021 is to continue doing my work with more enthusiasm and try to be little a bit more above what I am today.
Wonderful.
To spread, more smiles.
Very good, very good. Thank you. That's like taking away my job. I'm Chief Smile Officer, you want to take away my job. And we need smile ambassadors. We need smilionaires, like the millionaires. Yeah? So wonderful.
Yeah,
wonderful.
definitely.
What are your 3 key strengths which you feel, yeah, okay, every teacher must master this?
Okay. Okay, 3 related to my field.
Yes. As a teacher.
Okay, first. Okay, as a teacher, first of all, whenever I come to the class, I greet every student, irrespective of whether they are greeting me or not. I consider them first of all as a friend. Secondly, always I try to relate my concept with the day-to-day life so that they can have a connection. And third, I always try to forgive them, but even after a small punishment, I try to forgive them. I don't try to be very hard on them, because if everyone spreads hate, then they will feel that there is no one to love them. We are humans, we can make mistakes, so we should try to forgive them so that even they can learn from us that yes, forgiveness is the biggest thing.
We are not machines. Very good. And the ideal relationship between teacher and student is going to be friendship. Krishna and Arjun. Friendly, but not over friendly. Friendly with boundaries. Friendly with regard. Friendly with respect. Friendly with humility. Very, very nice. Thank you so much, Srishti. It was super learning from your great tips. Wonderful life of giving, service, and beauty. Thank you so much. I wish you the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Take care. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.